We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
언제는 야
Don't point it. You're gonna be busted on the face. My iceberg Tyson, then you're gonna shut down.
As you the one, not me.
You can smell it all around.
Alright, Cora and I are taking the sub, or what they call the MRT, to Sanam Chai, which is the palace. So this is a new experience for us. So taking the MRT, as you can see, it's going by. So let me get prepared to get on so we don't get left. Check with you in a little bit. Hey guys, all right. Cora and I, we're about to enter into the Grand Palace here in Thailand. As you can see, this is the entrance after walking around the wall. Got soldiers back there, which are so-called, I suppose, guarding the palace. But all right, we're about to go in, and maybe they'll let us film, maybe not, but we'll see. All right.
You have to go do a thumbnail.
All right. Yeah, at the same time. Soldiers. And all right. Check it out. We're about to head in. See you inside. This is the shop where, of course, you can't enter the temple without having dress attire like this. On the right is for men, some type of pants, which of course I purchased. And for the ladies, they have to have some type of wrap if you have shorts on. Okay? They tried to say outside it was about 300 baht, but I don't know. As you can see, Cora and I got a little deal. I don't know if you can see the pants that I'm wearing. Oh, she didn't need one. That's right. She got no skirt. All right. I did. That'd be good.
See the temple stickers.
Yeah. Girl, get out the way. Hey guys, this is Sass. Cora and I are actually eating at a restaurant in Thailand here in Bangkok called Zaab. Spice Nana Indian cuisine, but it's kind of like a Thai Indian influence. Let's see, what else can I show you? Well, she has, what did you get? She got the coconut, fresh coconut, and she has some type of fish that's supposed to be coming. I have some type of spicy shrimp, and it is spicy. Some type of spicy soup. Of course, I got a little bit of chicken wings that look like with Thai sauce, and of course, rice comes with it. And we'll just wait for the fish to come out, but so far so good. Check with you in a little bit. All right, guys. Of course, fish came out. It is actually a snapper with some type of soup. Steamed snapper with soup. And it actually has a flame underneath it still, so you can see it's still simmering. Looks good. Also, the wings are excellent, and the soup was really good as well. So, definitely a place I would recommend. So, it's called Zaab, S014, in Love Cafe, Spicy Nana Indian Cuisine.
Oh gosh, good.
And Corey just said it is good. So, I think that's their little mural. So,
It's a big
all right, would highly recommend. So if you're in the Sukhumvit, I never come pronounce that area of Thailand and Bangkok, you might want to try this place out. All right, guys, check with you later.
Just act sass in the Philippines.